Hi, my name is Tom, coming from Bangkok, Thailand, and I'm going to show you how to use the mortar and pestle. So have you tried to use one of this mortar and pestle? I haven't tried it, even though I grew up in Thailand, and everybody in Thailand used one of this, including my grandma. She would make curry paste in one of this mortar, but we've been using food processor, and up until recently I started to pick up the mortar. During the lockdown I learned how to use it properly, and one of the tricks to using a stone mortar without having to mortar away for an hour is actually to use a knife and to cut everything into a very small piece before you put into the mortar, and that's going to help cut down the mortar time to about 15 minutes only. So the main difference between the food processor and the mortar is that the food processor, it uses a blade to cut everything, and that just doesn't squeeze out all the aromatic oil and enzyme from your herbs and spice. To use the mortar, it would crush even the cellular structure to break up the cell wall and open up. All the aromatic oil would come out and all the enzyme would come out and make your food taste much fresher. There's just no better way to get the quality of the ingredients out than the mortar. So the proper way to use a mortar, you can do two different kind of motion. First, when you want to grind the dry spice, you make a circular motion, and that's just enough to grind your spice into powder. And then the other motion is up and down. This is when we do like a curry paste, like a wet curry paste. You just strike up and down only. You make sure that it make contact with the bottom, up and down. You don't want to ring the bell like this. You could break the mortar. Another thing is that you don't want to bang it too hard. That's also might break it. And also if you keep going too long, it will turn the curry paste very dark color, and you don't really want to do that. It doesn't look fresh. So those are simple things, do and don't for the mortar. So in Thailand we have several styles of mortar. First of all, the stone mortar. This is very common, and it's mainly to make the chili paste or to grind spice into powder, wet curry paste and things like that. And then we have the clay, baked clay, and a wooden pestle. This to make the som tam or the papaya salad. We also use a wooden one as well for that purpose, which is another type. So if you want to learn how to make the Thai red curry paste, which is the most basic paste for Thai cooking, you can follow us on the link below. And if you have any question, please send us a comment and we will reply to you. Any question regarding Thai food, Thailand, Thai cooking. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get all the latest video from us. Bye.